It's a 2008 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auxiliary audio input, AM/FM satellite prep radio, power sliding left and right rear passenger doors, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, and V6 engine. Of the Odyssey, Edmunds.com notes it's quieter, more spacious, and offers even more innovative features than before, including increased seating configurations and unique storage solutions. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.